Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can change the screen and LCD on a Samsung Note 8. Um, so this one is an OLED. The first thing what we need to do is remove the back cover. So for that we use like a hot gun to something like this, the Ozito one, and just heat it up. So just try to find a little bit of, yes, that's exactly what we need, like a little bit of opening. Once we get a little bit of opening, I would prefer not to put like a metal, so I'll just get something like a plasticky. So let's get, okay, so I think we're almost there now. It just takes some time, but you just need to be patient. Yeah, the alcohol, as you can see, like I was able to lift this one a little bit. Now if you look at closely, I think that's where the connection is. So use a nylon spudger and disconnect this bit here, and now you can just open it. So the one we disconnected was this connection here. So that's where that was I was talking about, like don't go much deeper into this. We need to remove all the screws. So let me remove the screw here. Okay, now I we can just lift the bottom one. As you can see, that's, so once you remove this should come straight away very easily. um, so that's the first bit, so I'll just keep that one aside. That will expose the charging port here. Now the next thing what we need to do is remove the second bit. As you can see here, this is what, that is the wireless charging. So we can just use our hands, and then, like, I think one of the screws is still attached, so I'll just undo that one, and perfect. Okay, just be very gentle. So that's the second bit, and keep it aside. That's the motherboard, that's the charging port, battery. So what we have to do now is first remove the battery. So battery is disconnected. I'll remove the screen connector from here, that's been disconnected. There is one more connection here, so we just remove that plug in there, and that's the camera. So I'll remove the camera and just organize somewhere. That's the small camera which goes there. Now one more important thing we need to do is remove the SIM tray. So basically this is very important, because or else the motherboard, it won't move. So that's the SIM tray, I'll just leave it there. Okay, and I hope you can see here this small connection. Okay, we just need to remove this small connection. Done. So we have removed that one, that bit here, and I think we are pretty much done. Now we need to remove few more screws here. That one is for the aux cable. So just make sure you organize all the screws so that you don't miss any screw. Right here. Okay, now there's one more connection here. Okay, and now two charging ports, screws over there, so I'll remove that bit and remove this connection here. I hope you can see in the camera. Trying to adjust that one. That's done. So now what we have to do here is okay, there's one more connection here. I just want to remove that one. Okay, yeah, you know what, there's one more screw. That's where the motherboard was not coming off. Keyboard, and you are pretty much done with this. Now the other thing I want to do is like remove the aux cable from here. As you can see, you can just click that one and you get this aux cable. Aux cable, that's where that thing goes in. Okay, now slowly we can just pry up the whole thing. So the way it comes off is everything should come off now. Okay, use a little bit of, so what I use like is a small bottle through which I can use some alcohol. I'll just put this alcohol here and this bit here, and also we need to remove this vibrator here. Done. So the vibrator is done. Just remove it, then remove the S pen. It should loosen up the glue, and that's a good sound. That's the click what we need to get. Okay, perfect. So now we got the battery as well. Pretty sure we got screen. Now the new screen. Okay, that's the new one what we have here. So let's remove all the that vibrator goes back in. That sits perfectly fine there. Now let's do it. Go. Okay, so perfect. Now we just need to put this one on here so that it just sits perfectly fine. Right, now let's get the motherboard back on, and that's where the motherboard sits. Now there are some ribbon cables, as you can see, and the connectors, so just make sure like you have everything. So we should have like 2 more connections here. They're properly tucked in, and there's one more. Okay, let's get this one off and this one off. Okay, so now, yeah, that's gone. Okay, now I think everything sits perfect here. Now we need to put all the connections back. Now before I do that, what I'll do is I'll just secure everything with the screws back on. So let's put that one, the charging, this one, the charging port screwdriver back in place. Okay, so now let's keep moving. So those are the 2 screws for the charging port. Now one more screw goes here, and the connection goes there. And let's just put this connection back. Okay, so that connection is gone. Now let's get the battery in. Done. Let's get the cameras back in. That cameras. Now the other camera. Okay, that's done. Now let's get this charging port put in. And I'll put the screw back in here. Tray back. Yeah, perfect. And then the S Pen, we can put the S Pen back in. Okay, now let's connect the battery. Okay, so just connected the battery. Now we can test it. Yeah, that's exactly what we need to see, is like the Note 8 screen. Okay, so we are pretty much, if you look at this, okay, done. Right, now we just need to close the phone now. It's all working. So let's go back and close the phone. Okay, now let's start to put the screws back in. There are a lot of screws here, but we just do it very slowly. So now I have done like all the screws. So as you can see, everything is back now. See, once this bit is back, what I can do is I just have to place it here. I'm pretty sure you can and once this bit is here, you just need to press. That's it. And now that's the back case. Now what we can do is, once that's been done, place it aligning it so that sits properly corners with the heat gun, so that the existing glue. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, and if you like our video, please like us, subscribe us, and share with your friends so we can make more videos. Thank you.